Like that orange?
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. Yummy.
It's good stuff.
It is good stuff.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
Yeah, very sweet and juicy.
It's good. I mean, it is good stuff.
Uh-huh. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Got another one.
Have you ever tried this blouse before with the plow?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Well, I guess we haven't either.
Yeah.
We haven't did it.
Here you go.
I almost lost it.
Yeah. Yum. Mm-mm. You keep staring at my pink camouflage shirt.
So,
It's good. Here, got another one.
I closed it.
Okay. Do you want it?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta peel another one. I got 2 slices left. Yummy.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
How about that shirt?
You do?
Beautiful.
Let's
It's a good
see.
shirt.
I don't know if I can get it or not. Maybe I got it. Oh, I spun you around. You love that orange.
Yeah.
All right. I got to turn this off so I can peel the other one. You want more? I got more. Yeah.
That's pretty.
It is pretty. Oops. It's okay.
The kids that had one part of this program tonight that we already had.
Uh-huh.
So they were just pulled up on it, and they came in today and came and just said, well, we know what y'all got. Mm-hmm. This is all I had.
I'm going to peel another one. I got one more slice left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hang on.
Yeah, this is good.
I know.